Some of the most challenging places on Earth are home to offshore installations like oil platforms and drilling rigs. They are essential cornerstones of global energy, running continuously to keep oil and gas flowing. However, this work is hazardous and complex, and environmental health and safety standards should always be followed. Offshore installation managers have a lot at stake, since any failed environmental, health, and safety audit can lead to a shutdown and other operational interruptions. Let's explore environmental, health, and safety audits in such offshore installations by concentrating on key areas, such as the auditing procedure and better preparation methods. An environmental, health, and safety audit is a structured and comprehensive evaluation designed to verify that offshore installations adhere to all relevant regulatory requirements, industry standards, and internal safety policies. It serves as a critical tool for maintaining operational integrity, environmental protection, and workforce well-being in high-risk environments such as offshore platforms. The audit examines every aspect of operations, including equipment maintenance, hazardous material management, emergency preparedness, and environmental performance. By reviewing documentation, inspecting facilities, and interviewing personnel, auditors assess whether procedures are being followed correctly and safely. The core goals of an environmental, health, and safety audit are to identify non-compliance issues, evaluate the effectiveness of existing programs, and recommend corrective actions that reduce risk and improve performance. Beyond compliance, these audits help organizations strengthen their safety culture, minimize environmental impact, and enhance operational resilience, ensuring that offshore activities remain safe, sustainable, and aligned with international best practices. A thorough environmental, health, and safety audit covers multiple dimensions of offshore operations, each of which plays a vital role in maintaining compliance, safety, and environmental stewardship. The key aspects typically include regulatory adherence, risk management, environmental protection, occupational health and safety, and documentation practices. Offshore installations must meet a wide range of local, national, and international requirements governing air and water quality, waste management, occupational safety, and emergency preparedness. Non-compliance can result in severe penalties, legal consequences, and even operational shutdowns. Therefore, understanding and adhering to the complex regulatory framework is crucial. Auditors evaluate how well the installation's policies and procedures align with these legal obligations, ensuring that compliance is both documented and demonstrable. Risk management is another critical component. Offshore environments involve high-pressure systems, volatile materials, and unpredictable weather, all of which pose considerable safety challenges. The audit assesses how effectively the organization identifies, evaluates, and mitigates these risks through structured risk assessment processes, safety management systems, and incident response protocols. This includes verifying how emergency mustering and reporting are managed during critical situations. Well-executed risk management not only safeguards personnel, but also ensures operational continuity. The environmental protection aspect of an environmental, health, and safety audit focuses on preventing pollution and safeguarding marine ecosystems. Auditors review environmental management programs addressing spill prevention, waste handling, emission control, and resource conservation. They also verify whether monitoring systems are in place to ensure compliance with environmental legislation. Strong environmental performance enhances public trust and demonstrates a company's commitment to responsible operations. Equally important is health and safety oversight. The audit inspects safety procedures, training programs, and medical preparedness designed to protect offshore personnel from occupational hazards. This includes verifying the availability and correct use of personal protective equipment, the adequacy of evacuation procedures, and the presence of ongoing health surveillance programs. A deeply embedded safety culture, where every worker understands and values their role in maintaining safety, is essential for accident prevention and workforce well-being. Finally, documentation and record-keeping underpin the entire environmental, health, and safety framework. Auditors examine maintenance logs, incident reports, inspection records, and training documentation to confirm that safety measures are both applied and traceable. Proper documentation not only proves compliance but also highlights trends, supports continuous improvement, and fosters transparency and accountability throughout the organization. Together, these components ensure that an environmental, health, and safety audit does more than verify compliance. It strengthens the organization's ability to operate safely, sustainably, and responsibly in the challenging offshore environment. The environmental health and safety audit process follows a structured and methodical approach designed to evaluate compliance, identify risks, and drive continual improvement in offshore operations. Each stage, from preparation to follow-up, ensures that all aspects of environmental, health, and safety performance are thoroughly assessed and strengthened. The process begins with preparation and planning, which form the foundation of an effective audit. During this phase, the scope, objectives, and criteria are clearly defined by both the audit team and the management of the offshore installation. Auditors review previous audit reports, regulatory requirements, and company policies to establish focus areas. A detailed audit plan is then developed, outlining the audit schedule, required resources, and key areas for inspection, ensuring that all stakeholders understand expectations and priorities. The audit formally commences with an opening meeting, where the audit team introduces its members, clarifies objectives, and explains the methodology to be used. The offshore installation manager and key personnel participate to align expectations, address any preliminary concerns, and confirm access to necessary facilities and records. The on-site assessment phase involves data collection through inspections, interviews, and direct observations. Auditors examine daily operational practices, inspect equipment and safety systems, and engage with staff to verify understanding and implementation of procedures. Key focus areas typically include safety management, environmental protection, and emergency preparedness. Documentation, such as training records, maintenance logs, and incident reports, is reviewed to confirm compliance and traceability. Following the data collection, auditors proceed to analysis and evaluation. Collected evidence is measured against regulatory standards, internal policies, and industry best practices to identify non-compliance issues, potential risks, and areas for improvement. The audit also assesses the effectiveness of existing environmental, health, and safety programs and verifies whether corrective actions from previous audits have been successfully implemented. The findings are compiled into a comprehensive audit report, which includes the scope, methodology, observations, and specific recommendations. Non-conformities are prioritized according to their potential impact on safety, health, or the environment, and corresponding corrective actions are proposed. The audit concludes with a closing meeting between the auditors, the offshore installation manager, and senior management. The report's findings are presented, and a corrective action plan is agreed upon to address the identified issues. The process does not end there. Follow-up visits or progress reports ensure that corrective measures are completed and verified. Finally, ongoing monitoring and continuous improvement are integral to the environmental health and safety audit cycle. Regular reviews, data analysis, and performance tracking enable organizations to maintain compliance, strengthen safety culture, and enhance environmental responsibility, ensuring long-term operational excellence in offshore environments. Conducting an environmental health and safety audit in the offshore oil and gas sector presents numerous critical challenges, reflecting the complexity of the regulatory environment and the demanding nature of offshore operations. These challenges often stem from legal intricacies, operational pressures, limited resources, organizational culture, and technological constraints. One of the most persistent obstacles is regulatory complexity. Offshore installations operate under overlapping local, national, and international regulations, each with distinct standards for environmental protection, occupational health, and safety management. Keeping pace with evolving legislation, often across multiple jurisdictions, requires continuous vigilance and deep regulatory knowledge. Maintaining compliance in such a fluid environment demands proactive management and constant adaptation. Audits can also be operationally disruptive, particularly when significant non-compliance issues are discovered. Addressing these findings may necessitate temporary halts or procedural changes, impacting production schedules and financial performance. Offshore installation managers must therefore strike a delicate balance between ensuring full compliance and maintaining uninterrupted operational continuity. Resource limitations pose another major challenge. Offshore platforms typically operate with lean staffing and constrained budgets, leaving limited capacity to allocate personnel and time for audit preparation, implementation, and follow-up. Overcoming this requires careful prioritization, efficient planning, and management support to ensure that audits receive the necessary attention without compromising day-to-day operations. Organizational culture and communication also play a pivotal role in audit success. A weak or underdeveloped safety culture, employee resistance to change, or poor information flow can hinder openness and collaboration during the audit. Promoting transparency, accountability, and engagement across all levels of personnel helps create an environment where audits are viewed not as disruptions but as opportunities for improvement. Finally, technological limitations can reduce audit effectiveness. Many older installations still rely on outdated monitoring systems and manual data collection, making it difficult to generate accurate, real-time insights into environmental and safety performance. In contrast, modern digital tools, such as real-time monitoring systems, data analytics platforms, and automated reporting tools, enhance audit precision and streamline compliance verification. Investment in these technologies not only improves audit outcomes but also contributes to long-term operational efficiency and risk management. Effective preparation is fundamental to ensuring that an environmental health and safety audit runs smoothly and delivers meaningful results. Strong preparation not only minimizes the likelihood of non-compliance findings, but also reinforces a culture of continuous improvement and readiness across offshore operations. A well-structured environmental, health, and safety management system is the foundation of audit success. This system should integrate key components such as risk assessments, safety measures, environmental monitoring, employee training, and incident reporting. Regular internal reviews of these elements ensure ongoing compliance and highlight areas requiring corrective action. Staying up to date with regulatory changes is equally important. Offshore environments are governed by multiple and evolving legal frameworks. Environmental health and safety managers must continuously monitor new laws, standards, and best practices and communicate these updates to the offshore installation manager and other stakeholders. Proactive compliance management prevents last-minute surprises during official audits and supports long-term alignment with international and national regulations. Training and competency development are also essential pillars of audit readiness. Regular training sessions should cover regulatory compliance, safety protocols, emergency response, and environmental protection, ensuring personnel understand both the what and the why behind environmental, health, and safety requirements. Periodic competency assessments help evaluate skill levels, identify gaps, and guide further training needs. Leveraging modern technology enhances audit preparedness and operational efficiency. Advanced data analytics tools, real-time monitoring systems, and digital documentation platforms provide accurate and up-to-date insights into environmental and safety performance. These systems can flag anomalies before they develop into compliance issues. Embracing technology not only streamlines audits, but also strengthens operational resilience and decision-making. Engaging external consultants can add significant value. Specialists in environmental, health, and safety auditing bring independent perspectives and technical expertise to conduct pre-audit assessments, deliver targeted training, and recommend process improvements. Their familiarity with industry standards and best practices helps identify potential blind spots that internal teams might overlook. For any non-compliance identified, a robust corrective action plan is essential. The plan should clearly define actions to be taken, responsible parties, completion timelines, and follow-up mechanisms for verification. Finally, documentation and mock audits complete the preparation process. Maintaining meticulous records, such as inspection reports, incident logs, training records, and maintenance data, provides tangible proof of compliance and supports audit transparency. Mock audits simulate real audit conditions, allowing teams to test their readiness, address weaknesses, and build confidence. By combining proactive management, continuous training, technology adoption, and systematic internal evaluation, organizations can transform environmental, health, and safety audits from a compliance exercise into a strategic tool for improvement, safety assurance, and operational excellence. An environmental, health, and safety audit is important for offshore installations. For offshore installation managers, understanding the critical aspects of those audits, their processes, and the challenges involved is crucial for maintaining operational continuity and regulatory compliance. By developing a comprehensive environmental, health, and safety management system, conducting regular internal audits, staying informed about regulatory changes, enhancing training and competency, fostering a positive safety culture, investing in technology, maintaining accurate documentation, and conducting mock audits, offshore installation managers can better prepare for an environmental, health, and safety audit and ensure the continuous, safe operation of their installations. The proactive approach to environmental, health, and safety management enhances compliance and improves overall operational efficiency and resilience, contributing to offshore installations' long-term success and sustainability.